Trading drug stocks, by www.profitabletradingtips.com. Trading drug stocks can often be very profitable. A recent example is the 40% rise in stock price of Orthovita in response to a bid by orthopedic and surgical product maker Stryker. This is the world of bone grafting materials, artificial hips, and bone cement. Although Orthovita does not make or sell drugs as such, its bone grafting materials business puts it under the jurisdiction of the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, the same as companies that make antibiotics, insulin, and blood pressure medications. This is a high-tech world in which new products can not only remake the world of medicine but make millionaires out those astute at trading the developers of new products. Trading these stocks involves both fundamental and technical analysis. The problem with analyzing fundaments of new science is that the fundamentals keep changing. Technical analysis typically works better for the ups and downs of stock prices. New and potentially world-changing products move through the hurdles of FDA approval. How to become a successful stock trader in trading drug stocks includes learning the sequence of steps through which a new medication or treatment must pass to gain approval. Testing stages start with stage 0, which involves testing in the test tube and on cell cultures. Human trials are carried out in stages I to V, although a drug can be offered to the public after passing stage 3 testing. For trading drug stocks, the trader will follow stock price as each stage appears to be coming to a conclusion. Hopes will rise and then either be dashed or confirmed when results are reported. Stock prices will rise with the expectation of passage to the next stage and will fall when results are contrary. Stage or phase I trials are carried out small groups of healthy volunteers and are used to decide if the drug is safe and well tolerated. In this phase the so-called pharmacodynamics of the drug are discovered, namely how the drug is metabolized or excreted and what its byproducts are. In testing drugs, stage or phase 2 trials are carried out to determine how much of the drug or treatment needs to be used to help and how much is toxic. A promising drug may pass this phase with flying colors, or it may be found to be too toxic to administer in amounts needed to be therapeutic. In trading drug stocks, this phase is like phase I, and the hopes rise as researchers wait for results and will either rise or fall based upon testing results. Phase 3 trials are often a make or break point for drug testing. These are the definitive assessment of how well a drug performs in comparison to the current treatment of choice for a medical condition. These trials are carried out at several medical centers at a time and may take a year or more to finish. A drug or other treatment that passes stage of phase 3 trials is ready for physicians to use in treatment within the community. In successful stock trading of drug stocks, an accurate assessment of fundamentals is important, such as just how large a market exists for a new treatment. In trading drug stocks, the market activity does not stop with phase 3. After a drug or treatment has passed into use by physicians and surgeons, it is still subject to aftermarket testing and evaluation in stages 4 and V. For more insights and useful information regarding stock, options, commodities, and futures trading, visit www.profitabletradingtips.com.